When you deposit money into a bank, how do you know it's safe? It all comes down to federal banking regulations. These rules are the bedrock of the financial system, designed to protect consumers, prevent illegal activity, and maintain the stability of the economy. For a national bank like EverBank, strict adherence to these regulations isn't just a requirement, it's a core commitment to its clients. So, how exactly does EverBank comply with this vast and complex regulatory landscape? It boils down to a comprehensive, multi-layered framework. The first and most critical layer is consumer protection. As an FDIC-insured National Banking Association, your deposits at EverBank are protected up to the standard limit of $250,000 per depositor. Beyond just insurance, EverBank has a strong, fair, and responsible practices policy. This policy is in place to ensure fair lending and equal access to credit, prohibiting discrimination across all lending activities, from advertising and origination to servicing and collections. This isn't just a brochure, it's integrated into employee training and accountability programs and is subject to continuous monitoring and auditing to ensure consistent and fair treatment for every client. The next major pillar is financial strength and risk management. Federal regulations, including those established by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, or OCC, and the Federal Reserve, require banks to maintain robust capital and manage risk effectively. EverBank has a disciplined approach to risk management, overseeing all major risk categories, including credit and operational risk. The bank's board of directors is actively involved in ensuring the safety and soundness of operations. This structure is reinforced by an independent internal audit function and a dedicated compliance oversight and process support department, which constantly monitors for adherence to legal and supervisory requirements. Finally, in an increasingly digital world, security and anti-financial crime compliance is paramount. EverBank employs a full range of trusted security measures to protect your information and accounts, including strong encryption and fraud detection monitoring. On the regulatory front, this commitment covers programs like AML/BSA, or Anti-Money Laundering and Bank Secrecy Act compliance. These programs ensure thorough customer identification and transaction monitoring to combat money laundering and terrorist financing, safeguarding both the bank and the broader financial system. In essence, EverBank's compliance with federal banking regulations is a continuous, day-to-day operation. It's driven by board oversight, executed through dedicated teams and rigorous policies, and ultimately ensures that the bank operates with integrity and stability, keeping your money secure and your financial dealings fair. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.